Don't! I got one fleeing. Shut it off.
You're good.
Put it in neutral. Who's that?
I don't know him.
Pull the key out.
I got you. I'm deputy.
Okay.
Alright.
Push it over here. Bravo 5 St. Cloud 1065 and Florida 1028. It's going to be Mike Whiskey Tango X-Ray 27 MWTX 27. Should come back to a white BMW. The one that stopped is with the female.
I don't have my registration on me, boss. It's at home.
Okay.
Let's just hope something good comes out of this and moving forward. If he becomes an active cop again, he'll remember this every time he's dealing with somebody. He'll remember this every time he's arresting somebody or thinking about to arrest somebody, that this isn't a joke and this is people's lives. Hopefully he remembers this. What up, everybody? It's Constitution State here. Today's video involves the St. Cloud Police Department. This is the arresting department. I actually pull over and arrest an Orange County Sheriff's deputy. This is Deputy Brian Espinal. There's a rainbow in this video. Check out the rainbow. And also check out how he runs around and shows every other officer there this ID. When we talk about officers being ID fiends, this is it. He's happier now than when he has a civilian ID. It's crazy. He runs around and shows everybody it off like he's proud, like he did something. He was riding with another bike. They were going through traffic, riding. Officer said they were speeding, even though he couldn't clock them or pace them. When bikes travel together, street bikes, they tend to speed. I don't think they're racing. I think they're just riding. And with having no proof or evidence of them actually racing, I think it's kind of BS to charge them with racing. Usually we're happy when cops discipline other cops. But in this case, I think it was excessive. I don't care if it was on a cop or not. I don't think they should have took his bike and arrested him over reckless driving. They had no proof of racing. They had no proof of anything. This is the body camera footage. It was over, I think, 50 minutes. I chopped it down as much as I could, left all the important parts in. It seems like this officer doesn't know much. Supervisor has to come. Supervisor has to come just for them to say it's his decision. He has to make the call. We meet an officer after who can't read. So let me know what you guys think. We're going to get into it.
Oh, really? Oh. I'm doing 50. They fly past me like I'm standing still. Splitting lanes. St. Cloud, you can let the SO know it doesn't have a female in the back. .4, the one with the female stopped. It's a single occupant on the one that took off.
What county is that?
Orange. Hey, Sarge, can you make your way over to my 1050? Okay. Yeah, I'm at, what is this? Jersey and 13. Alright. Alright, sounds good.
Okay. What do you have on him?
Him, just traffic.
What was he doing?
I was doing 50. They flew past me at least 80, 90. I was like standing still when they came past me.
Were you able to, you got a radar?
No.
Were you able to pace him at all?
No. I tried to catch up to them, I couldn't.
Okay. They telling you who the other guy is?
They were talking. He says he doesn't know who he is.
And they were both going about the same speed? They looked like they were racing? How many years you got on?
3.
3? How fast were you going?
I'm not sure, boss.
You understand the situation that they're just in, right?
100%.
Who's the other guy?
I don't know, honestly. I saw him going, and then we parked up over here, and then that's when I was like, oh, you got a nice bike, you got a CX-10R, I got a S1K, that's all that it was. I'm just coming off from my friend's house, and then from St. Cloud, and parked up here, and when I saw him, I was like, oh, that's a nice bike, and that's it.
You know what happened after that?
He took off. I don't know who he is.
Yeah, so what light were you at?
No, we were right here, and then we were just going from Hickory.
Yeah, they passed me at Crawford. Zoom.
What does that look like?
That looks bad.
Yeah,
100%. It looks bad on my part, and I understand. You know, we're going on a date night, and I just got the bike not too long ago, and I wanted to impress her, and it's really bad. I don't speed at all, and it's sad me saying that, you know. I wanted to impress her, and I wanted to show her off the new bike. It's like the first time she's on it. I just got it out the dealership. You guys can see it's a brand new 2023. I wanted to test it out. I just finished installing everything I had, like the exhaust and everything.
You heard me say that.
You know.
The outside in, it looks like you're racing it.
Oh, I could see how that looks. You know, I could see how that looks, and it wasn't like that.
You both are doing what? 80, 90? Down to 40 mile an hour per zone? I mean, think about it, you've got a few years on. How many cars are on this road right now? Are there pedestrians? Are the roads somewhat wet? Are your driving conditions reckless given the fact that you're doing 40 to 50 miles an hour local speed limit?
Lane split, ran the red light.
When we came up here, he looked back, he saw me, I grabbed his keys, he looked at me and booked it.
I mean, I wasn't gonna take off on you guys. Like, I'm not gonna do that.
I didn't know who you were, man. I don't know who you are, you know?
100%.
Bikes take off from us all the time.
No, I understand. I'm like, this is my first time ever getting pulled over. You know what I'm saying? So,
LT's on his way.
Hey, can we get the bike pushed up onto the sidewalk or something so you can get off 192?
Is it in neutral?
I think so. I'm not sure.
And if that bike really is what he says, a 2023 BMW SK 1000, that's like a $17,000 bike. I wouldn't want the cop pushing my bike around. Sorry, sir, no. We know what happens when our stuff gets broke. It doesn't matter. If he drops that bike, they ain't fixing it.
You guys want to step over here? You stand right in front of the bike.
What was the driving pattern like? Were they weaving in and out of cars? And so you have speed, a bunch of illegal lane changes. Remember the articulation in the last street racing thing that you had?
Yeah.
You know, we're doing thorough documentation on driving pattern, road conditions, you know, the amount of vehicles that are on the road, all the different lane changes, any other traffic violations that you have. you know, that in addition to the well over the criminal, you know, the mandatory criminal appearance on the speed, that's going to lead you to have reckless, plus the other one, they're obviously in a speed competition if they're doing over twice the legal, you know, twice the speed limit on the road. So it is what it is. He's a deputy. We apply the law evenly. So you're the one that witnessed everything. So
Okay.
if we have it, we have it.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is why they called the supervisor and the supervisor's supervisor, so they could coach him on his story, so he could get his story right, so they could charge him with street racing, even though he wasn't street racing, so they could tell him what to put, how to word it, the lies. So regardless if he was doing it or not, they're going to arrest him for it.
So,
Good with that, LT? Yep.
all right. Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. Hey, boss, come here. Go ahead, turn around for me. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, or hurt me? Alright, this time I'm placing you under arrest for your street racing, alright?
I wasn't racing.
What?
Wait, no, guys, come on.
Baby, what?
Wait, I wasn't racing.
Oh my God.
I was not racing.
Okay.
I wasn't there. This officer.
No, dude. Oh my God.
Can I grab my phone that is on his
No
pocket?
way.
We'll get it for you.
Okay, what do I do?
Oh my God,
Do you have anything that's going to stick me, poke me, or hurt me?
There's no way.
babe.
20 years?
Oh
No,
my
this is
God.
wrong.
Like this?
Yeah. Baby, but
Wow, I wasn't even racing, babe.
there's no
Oh
way.
my God. Are you guys?
There's no way.
Can I speak to the cop?
Who do I call?
Can you call Delmar
His number is there.
so he can?
787.
Alright, boss. Come on, just a
Can you give me 1 second, boss?
man. Hey, so you mind opening my passenger door and hit my unlock button for me? You see that there's nothing on the floor? See that there's nothing on the floor, right?
There's no way.
Alright, boss. Go ahead and step up. Get your head. Oh, are we not towing?
Yeah.
Okay, I called for 7.
You call for tough?
Yeah. Tell them to 22 that.
Yeah, you can get somebody here that has a
Bro, if I send card.
His co-worker, we just came from there, he has a bike.
You can 1066 to 1070.
Okay. It's sitting on private property.
Okay.
There's no reason for us to tow it.
Okay.
Somebody to come and take it.
Do you have his ID?
Hey, just to confirm, are you charging him with reckless and street racing or just one? Okay.
Yeah. I'll talk to you later when I'm not hot. Alright. Later. Yeah. Alright, cool. Later. Hey, Sarge. Do you want me to call it now and then head to there and finish up typing, or stand by?
So what?
Do you want me to call him 15 at this point, or just stand by?
Give me 1 second.
Okay. There, hey, Sarge, that was the motorcycle right there.
What?
The one that just fled from me was that one, that right there.
You went back?
Yeah. Hey, Casey. Come here. Read that and tell me if that sounds...
I can't even see it. It's far away. I can't read black text on white paper. After I got my eye surgery, it looks weird.
How do you change it?
I just put it in dark mode.
How do you do that?
Control, you have to be in Control D should do it. Oh, never mind. Maybe not in Word, but that's how it does it on the other thing. I can read it because you made it bigger, though. I wouldn't say the failed to obey the traffic control device. I would say what they did and where they did it. So I would say that they, what's it called? They split lanes and proceeded through a steady red light at the intersection of 13th and Vermont. That's what I would say.
Okay.
Doesn't it seem like he has to ask to do anything? Everything he's done in this video besides pull the guy over, he's asked to do. And what's up with this guy? He can't read black text on white paper, basic stuff. How is he a cop if he can't read black text on white paper? What?
Hey, transport back to the PD.
Okay. You want me to go ahead and go now? Okay. Should I 15 or just transport?
What?
Should I call it 15 or no?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Bravo 5 St. Cloud. You can log Brian 1015 and show me 51 to the PD.
For you? Something different?
I don't know.
Let him know about the paperwork he can request to fill out in booking. So they don't have those picture all over the internet and everything.
Yeah. Alright, Sarge, I'll see you there.
Alright.
Alright.
Hello.
Hey, you're at the PD? You're at the PD? Can you come outside real quick? Alright, I'm in the Sally Port. Alright. What's gonna happen is I'm just gonna grab my body cam real quick, and I'm gonna put you in one of the ones, alright? Alright, boss. I'll just have a seat over there. You want me to flip the cuffs around for you?
Whatever makes you guys happy.
You need any water or anything? Yeah, man.
Do you guys think he knew the other rider or not? Or do you think he was lying? I think the only way he'd cover for the other rider is if it was a cop. If it was anybody else, I feel like he probably would have thrown him under the bus. And what do you guys think about his story? Legit story or not? Either way, I don't feel like he was happy about being arrested. He showed his displeasure, but I don't feel like he was a super dick about it. I wouldn't have been happy either. How do you guys feel? Do you feel like Brian Espinal deserved all this for reckless driving? Like, does St. Cloud have a problem with this department? What's the issue? Because I've seen civilians get let off for the same thing, with warnings, verbal warnings, if anything. And they usually always let cops off, or at least bargain them down. So what's going on here? They literally trumped the charges up on this dude instead of bringing them down. They called all them people there, the supervisor, just to coach this dude into what to say. So they could get him. He's on administrative duties now. He has no cop powers right now. Everything's pending the outcome of this court case. As you guys see, it doesn't matter if you're a blue line gangbanger or not. They will mess up your life just for their own numbers and their own benefits. Stay safe out there, guys. I wanted to show you guys this. I want to know what you guys think. Talk about it. Tell me about it. Put it in the comments. We will talk about it. Thank you, guys. Bye.